Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you guys are new here. So for today's video, we're doing another new makeup release video. We'll be talking about all the new makeup releases and are they actually worth it? So you guys want to see what they are, what my thoughts are, well then definitely keep watching. Alright guys, so as you guys know, I get all my information from Trendmood and Trendtopia 2 over on Instagram. Make sure you guys go check them out, give them a follow. Now, I love doing the new makeup release videos. It's so much fun to see like what's coming out, what you guys think about it, whether or not I should get it. It's always kind of fun to have those discussions, but just because I don't want to get something doesn't mean that you guys don't have to. If you guys want to, go get it. If it makes you happy, that's all that matters. So we're going to go ahead and start off. So the first thing that I see here is the new Supergoop Unseen Unscreen Body SPF 40. This is a body version of the Unseen sunscreen. I have seen everybody talk about the Supergoop sunscreen. I have never personally used it, but I've seen so many people talk about it, advertise it. And I don't know, maybe I'm just like, maybe I just don't get it. Like I don't get the hype around it because I've never tried it. But I guess because I live in Florida, I'm used to doing like copper tone, SPF 50, SPF 100, because of the fact that you really want to make sure that you are covering your skin to the best of your ability, especially here in Florida during the dead heat of the summer when the UV rays are at its highest. You just want to be as protected as possible. So like I've never tried this foundation. I never tried this sunscreen. I don't know how well it works. The first one's for the face. This one's now for the body. I'd be more interested in trying out the body than the face just because I really would make sure my face is nice and protected. And I know that SPF doesn't really matter. SPF just means how many minutes you have before you have to reapply. That's why I like to do the copper tone 100 because it gives me 100 minutes before I have to reapply. And trust me, I reapply because I want to make sure my skin's taken care of. But I've known people, so many people say they love the Supergoop sunscreen. So that's something we're definitely going to have to like check out. I'm curious. Next, we have this new like gadget. It's the Say Hello to Imprint You. It's a portable tattoo machine by LG. This printing machine uses a safe vegan tattoo ink to print onto skin and clothing and lasts approximately 1 day. 1 day. It says you will connect to the Impromptu mobile app on a smartphone and you'll be able to select from a wide range of design options and imprint temporary tattoos. The machine has a resolution of 60 dpi. It takes 2 to 3 minutes. It takes 2 to 3 seconds to print the tattoos. I don't know what the price for this is, but for 1 day, like I feel like you can go do like a henna tattoo, which lasts so much longer, or you can even do like those ones that you just like slap on, you know, and you just lick it, or you do like a little bit of wet paper towel, you stick it on for a minute. Even those have a longevity longer than a day. So I feel like this would be overpriced for what it is. So that's going to be an easy pass for me. But what an interesting concept. So we have this is over in Europe, but it's the Studio Fix Everywhere All Over Face Pen from MAC Cosmetics. It says that this is an everywhere all over the face pen, new concealer and foundation hybrid, 36-hour coverage, conceals, brightens, and even tones. Lightweight, flexible, won't crease or cake, medium to buildable coverage, natural finish while being waterproof. What? All-in-one pen that has a foundation and concealer into one. That's nothing revolutionary, but interesting. It's a pen. Next, we have the brand new Falsy Surreal Extension Mascara from Maybelline. This is a 36% length and surreal impact with 10 times volume. Introducing its hybrid fiber technology, a mix of fibers of different sizes up to 3 millimeters, and extended hexal brush, which loads lashes from root to tip. It lasts up to 24 hours. It's smudge, flake, and smear resistant. Retails for $9.99 and it's exclusive at Target. Supposedly, that's what I saw. I have been looking for this. I can't find it. I can order it online, but I can't find it physically in the stores. I really want to try this mascara. It looks very interesting. So that's something I'm definitely going to pick up for myself. I really love when drugstores release new products. I've been like on a huge drugstore kick lately. I don't know what it is. I think I just get excited to walk into my local CVS. So I walk in and I just hear and they're like, oh, this bitch is back. This bitch is back. So that's like how excited I get. That's what I feel like happens every time I walk in there. Next, we have the new collab with Sigma Beauty and Kristen Dominique. Oh, I love Kristen Dominique. She's so beautiful and so sweet. I'm going to pass on this. I know that I don't want to support her. It's just I've never tried Sigma. I've never tried Sigma. I've never even tried their brushes. I have a palette that a beautiful friend of mine sent me, but I just haven't played with it yet. So I passed on it. But good for her. That's awesome. Ooh, next we have the new Bloom and Bright collection. This is spring 2023 release from Essence. It's going to include an eyeshadow palette, a glow stick, a blush, a makeup sponge. It's going to be including so much. I actually really do enjoy Essence. I've been really loving their mascara, which I kind of threw on the floor at the moment because my beauty room is just my beauty room, but it's actually a pretty good brand for what it is. So up next we have the new blusher book pressed palette from Made by Mitchell. This is 12 pan palette of pressed blushers with all your faves on the go in 5 brand new shades. Retails for $44, and my friend Mikey bought this. He said it's sold out and he loves it. He loves it so much. I swear Mikey should be a spokesperson for Made by Mitchell because he literally buys every single product that brand comes out with. And I think what the kicker is, I think the kicker of this is that that brand has such bad, shitty customer service. He has ordered stuff from I'm calling Mikey out right now. He has ordered stuff from Made by Mitchell and it's taken like two and a half months to get to him, or he'd buy something and get the completely wrong product. They would never get back to him. He'd have to do refunds through his bank. But he can't stop buying from the brand because he loves their products so much. And I'm like, what are you doing? This brand treats you like shit. They don't get back to you. They send you the wrong products. You always have to go through your bank and you're still buying from them. But it's because he loves them so much is why I think he should be the spokesperson for them. Mikey, I love you. And you know I give you shit for this. But I hear nothing but amazing things about this blush palette. He's obsessed. He's been sending me photos of it. I personally pass on it because I just didn't care to get it. I also had a little bit of bad taste in my mouth because of his experience, but I heard it's great and the formula looks so beautiful, and you get so many blushes for the price point, which I think is really decent, but it made me laugh. Next, we have the new Roll-Away Glow highlighters with Iconic London. So these are liquid highlighters on a roll-on applicator that seamlessly melts into the skin for soft focus sheen, radiance, and iconic dewiness to the skin in an instant. Retails for $29, and I'm not gonna lie, this actually looks pretty cool. It reminds me of the 90s. Do you guys remember lip smuckers when you used to sit here and like roll on the like lip gloss? Like, do you guys remember that? Like the different smells, like grape, strawberry, watermelon, and this reminds me of the lip smuckers, the way that it smells. And I don't know, there's just something about it that's like so 90s to me that I'm kind of like living for it. I'm kind of like living for it. It's like a little bit of throwback for me. I haven't seen anyone talk about this, so I don't know the formula, but I'm very curious. So I'm gonna wait to see what people say online before I check it out myself, before I buy it myself. But I will say, it definitely has caught my attention. It caught my attention. I'm like, ooh, throwback. But then it's like a roller. And you guys know I struggle with liquid foundation. You guys know I struggle with liquid highlighters, blushes, and bronzers at times. So I don't know. Oh my gosh, I have been seeing this palette everywhere. This is the new Too Faced Italian Spritz Lake Como cocktail inspired palette. I have seen everybody talking about this palette. I personally passed on it, but then I watched my beautiful friends Angelica Nyqvist review, then I saw Teresa's Dead review, then I saw Heather Austin's review, and they all seem to really love this palette. I'm just like, damn it, why? Why do you guys love it? But it looks really good. It does. It looks really good. Am I gonna get it? Probably not. Probably not. Unfortunately, like, I feel like I get it if I see it on sale. Honestly, I just feel like I'm not gonna get it now because even if I were to review it, I feel like I'm so far behind that there's really kind of no point. And I hate saying that, but like when you pretty much do YouTube, if you don't have a video reviewed within the first couple of days of people getting it, there's really no point because people just don't care to watch your video anymore. So it's kind of like I could do it just for me, but I'll wait till it goes on sale, or I'll wait to see if I see it in TJ Maxx. This cannot come fast enough. We have the new Pore Eclipse Matte Setting Spray from Milk Makeup. This says that it locks on milk. It says this locks on makeup for up to 16 hours, helps to blur pores and control shine. For a soft, focused finish, sprays evenly, sets quickly, non-drying, non-sticky. I am absolutely going to be picking up this setting spray. I don't know if I'm going to get a PR. I don't know if I'm on Milk Cosmetics PR list. It's like one of those things that like randomly shows up and I'm like, how? But I'm absolutely gonna get this. You guys know how much I love their Milk Makeup Hydrating Grip Primer, and I also really love their Milk Makeup Pore Eclipsing Primer. I have worn those primers almost every single day. Today I've been wearing the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip. That's what I'm wearing on my face right now, and I'm really loving how my makeup is looking. I think it's looking really good right now. But I love mixing those two primers together. As an oily girl, they are my best friends. They are my best friend. I just need Milk Makeup now to come out with a setting powder for oily skin. It's like they get me. They get me, and I'm gonna get it. Uh-oh, we have a new brand alert. It looks like No Beauty by Vanessa Hudgens. Looks like it's more of a rebranding because they first launched with Madison Beer. So this is going to be a new skincare brand by Vanessa Hudgens. This targets real skin concerns with high efficiency, accessibility, priced solutions that fit seamlessly into your beauty ritual. This will be launching on March 15th. So no one really knows what the price points are going to be, where it's going to be sold. But I guess this is a reformulation because I guess she originally paired up with Madison Beer, but I guess they are separating their ways. So new brand alert. So a lot of people sent this to me, but it looks like over in Europe, Catrice did a collaboration with Disney. They did the Jungle Book collection and the Lion King collection. And I will say the outside packaging is super cute. The inside color story, not so much. I'm not thrilled by it. I don't really think that it's the prettiest on the inside. It kind of, when I first saw this, I'm not gonna lie, I genuinely thought this was Makeup Revolution, and I was like, here we go again. Really? But it's Catrice. I do really love Catrice, but I'm gonna pass on this collection. I just feel like it just doesn't hit the mark for me in terms of like Disney. I feel like ColourPop does a phenomenal job when doing Disney collections. I feel like Glam like could kill a Disney collection, like kill it. But this, it's very soft. Outside packaging is cute. Color story on the inside, not so much. So I'm gonna pass on that one. But it's only over in Europe too, so it kind of works out. But I did find that interesting. A lot of people were like, Allie, look, and I was like, oh, that's really cool. But I'm gonna pass. Next, we have a new product from IT Cosmetics. It's their Bye Bye Dark Spot Concealer and Serum. So this provides instant medium coverage and 24 hours of hydration. Visibly improves over time the look of bare skin. Interesting. There's 18 shades. So it seems like they're trying to learn from like the first time they come out with their products where they did like 12 shades and there was no deep shades whatsoever. I still feel like they could do better with their shade range, but I will say 18 is better than what they come out before. And it seems like they are going to have quite a few on the deeper side, which I really do appreciate for the inclusivity. It looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 deep shades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 medium shades, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 light shades. Okay. I see you, IT Cosmetics. I am going to pass on that because I don't really deal with a lot of dark spots, but that's interesting. Ooh, it looks like NARS Cosmetics is expanding their Laguna collection. So they're going to be rolling out with a lip balm and an eyeshadow quad palette that's inspired by their best-selling Laguna products. I have to say, I really do love the bronzer. The bronzer is phenomenal. I'm not going to get the palette because it doesn't stand out to me the most. I mean, this one is super freaking pretty, but it's just not enough for me to get. But I do think it's really cool that they're expanding on it. It's just the price point's a little expensive for what it is. $49 for 4 quads. That's a little expensive. Next, it looks like Maybelline is rolling out the new product. They're rolling out with their Super Stay 24-Hour Skin Tint Foundation. This is a lightweight with a formula enriched with vitamin C to give the skin a fresh glow while covering unevenness and redness. It stays up to 24 hours, feels comfortable on the skin, and leaves the skin feeling soft and hydrated. Vegan formula, suitable for sensitive skin and non-clogging to the pores. Oh, okay. So I am actually happy they're doing this. They have done a phenomenal job at catering full coverage products for oily skin people like myself, which I'm very grateful for. So it's kind of nice to see them coming out with something for a little bit more drying to normal skin. Granted, as an oily skin person, I can wear skin tints. It just isn't the best. I'm not going to have the same longevity that someone with normal to dry skin would have. I'm not going to have the same finish, but it actually really is cool they're catering to this as well. Am I interested in picking this up? Possibly. Because I do like to have a little bit of a glow. Even though I'm oily, I like to have a little bit of a glow because I still feel like it looks really pretty on the skin. So that's actually interesting. I'm excited about that one. Oh my gosh, guys. So it says the OG mascara is finally getting a waterproof version. It looks like the new Superhero Volumizing Waterproof Mascara is coming from IT Cosmetics. I used to love the Superhero mascara like there was no tomorrow. I was always so obsessed with that mascara. It's a phenomenal mascara. But oh my gosh, since it's not waterproof, it can get everywhere. It can get so messy. But the fact that we're rolling out the waterproof version, oh, I'm getting it. I'm getting it. No questions asked. Look, I have so many makeup releases that I haven't done yet. So next we have the new Hot Sauce collection from NYX Cosmetics. This is 6 new limited edition Shine Loud High Shine Lip Color bundle for $29. I definitely have people send this to me and tag me in it. I am going to pass on this because these are colors I personally would never wear. And I don't know if they're going to have like a little spice to them. I doubt they do, but a lot of people send them to me. They're fun, they're cute, but this was an easy pass because I don't know. I don't do like blue, green, orange colors. Like I just don't. Next, Too Faced is releasing this Born This Way Healthy Glow SPF 30 Moisturizing Skin Tint. So this is an oil-free, nourishing serum foundation with up to 24-hour wear and hydration and SPF 30 protection for healthy leaves, skin glowing with leaves skin glowing with a soft focus. This has a medium coverage, it's a natural finish. It has coconut water and alpine rose and hyaluronic acid and has 18 shades. That's actually really cool. I wish I could be like into skin tints. It just doesn't necessarily work for me, especially living here in Florida. It's not my best friend, but I know some people out there love it. And I'm just like, what's it like? Oh, this is so cool. Okay, so over in Asia, Maybelline collaborated with M&M's. So they're doing their Super Stay Matte Ink Liquid Lipsticks. They're doing the Dark Circle treatment and they're doing the Fit Me and Poreless Liquid Foundation. They're doing like nice little like collab with M&M's. That's really cool. They're doing that in Asia. I wish they were doing that here. I'm almost willing to bet you that at one point we'll see Glamlight do that too. Because Glamlight's notorious for that, but I wish. I also see we have a sneak peek. It looks like Tarte is coming out with their Tarte Glow Tape Shape Highlighter Wands. So if you guys did not know, Tarte recently come out with like their sculpting wands following the Charlotte Tilbury ones. They come out with their sculpting blush sticks, and now they're doing highlighting sticks as well. So definitely kind of emulating what Charlotte Tilbury has come out with. Theirs is just a cheaper version, and I see a lot of people actually do prefer their products over Charlotte Tilbury. It just kind of depends on what it is. But I do think it's really interesting that they are rolling out with their own as well. I knew they're going to. I'm pretty sure, I'm almost willing to bet at some point we're going to see Elf do something like this. I think I saw Elf commenting somewhere that just stay tuned that they were going to have their own version coming out, and if they do, oh, I'm buying it. Last but not least, we have another ColourPop, and it's their new Heavy Petal collection. This is going to include an eyeshadow palette, serum blushes, we have Luxe lipsticks, we have Fourth Ray Beauty Rose Softening Face Milk, and I saw this collection. It's already live right now, and I went ahead and passed on it only because I know realistically the only thing I'd use from the collection would be the eyeshadow palette, and I already have so many similar colors in my collection. I'm trying to be a little bit more mindful about what I buy from ColourPop because I literally have like 100 ColourPop palettes. And I buy their mystery box every single month, and typically they tend to put these products in there so I can kind of stock up my collection that way. But it is live if you guys want to check it out. It's super cute, but just not one that I want to get just yet. So that is everything that's new in makeup. There's so much more that I did not touch on. If you guys want to see what else is new in makeup, make sure you guys check out Trend Mood and Trendtopia too, so you guys can see all the new hottest makeup releases and kind of see if you guys want to get them. Those are everything that I personally wanted to talk about. There's definitely some things in there that I'm interested in, but a lot of things in there that I'm just kind of like, I could pass on it this week. I'm trying to be, like I said, more conscientious about what I buy, but these are always so much fun to do. So I'll make sure I list what I'm wearing on my face down below, but yeah, guys, that is it for today's video, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post 4 to 5 videos every single week. Make sure you guys head over to my other channels, Art for Life. You guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures, my amazing husband, Corey. And as always, the biggest thank you goes to these beautiful, wonderful page members you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much for everything. And to my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for being here. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribe, you guys did not subscribe, either way, thank you guys so much for being here. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, guys, I love you, and I'll see you guys in my very next video.